YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Let's Try and See with Dina B. And I'm gonna do a hair install and a curly routine for you. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned. This is my braid pattern. So I have my anchor braid going across and the rest of my braids are going straight to the back. That, and then I have my tails braided and basically sewn into my anchor braid so that way it's seamless. So that's what we're looking like. This is my leave out. Yeah, okay, so I know you're probably wondering, what's that white stuff? That is the ORS anti-itch scalp oil. I got this from my beauty supply store. It has aloe vera almond oil in it, and it basically helps keep your braids and your scalp moisturized. Smells pretty good. So that's what I did to my base, and I will be showing you guys my braid down, which I just did, and how I sew my hair on, and I'll showcase my hair. So what I have is 3 bundles of the Yvonne Kinky Curly Hair, which is, you know, my favorite. For some reason this says Kinky Straight. I guess that's a typo, but it's the Yvonne Kinky Curly. This is the fresh out of pack. I have not washed or co-washed it. I'm not going to. I'm gonna put it right in my head, then I'm gonna wash and co-wash it. Don't judge me. So this is a 20, an 18, and a 16. And I'm gonna go ahead and install those now. So I'm gonna start with my 20-inch and get started. Okay, so I can't really record like an entire video of me sewing my hair because I know I'm possibly going to be way out of, you know, the frame or whatever, but I wanted to go ahead and show you my first layer. So my first bundle, the 20-inch bundle, I did double it up because I'm lazy, but nonetheless, I wanted to show you what the first bundle looks like. So I started it right by my ear here and I ended it right by my hair here. But let me show you the back. Now, as you can see, the chunky part up here, I made sure that I put my first bundle underneath my braid so that when I lift it up, it's more seamless and you can't really tell it's there. I mean, we all can tell it's there, but yeah. So I did it that way so that it'll be a nicer ponytail if I decide to wear it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to braid my sewing back and forth like this, and then once I get to the top, I'll be right back. Bye. Okay, so I have basically braided everything around back and forth until I have basically this little square here. So now with my last bundle, I'm going to braid back and forth, and then I'm going to close it basically right here. And that's a really simple and really easy hairstyle for me. So that's how I do it. So once I'm done sewing this back and forth, I'll come back and I'll show you how I blend my edges. All right, so all I did was go and wash my hair, and I'm going to show you what I do next. So this is my hair basically towel dried, and I have some water mixed with a little bit of conditioner. Any conditioner will do, it doesn't matter. And then I have this anti-itch scalp oil, which I'm running out of. But what I'll do is, so let me show you my sewing. This is the little bit of leave out I have left. This is, you know, where my hair struggles is the leave out actually. But this is the leave out that's left. And all I do is try to baby and take care of my leave out the best way I can. So I'll take my anti-itch scalp oil and I'll put it right there on the line so that It doesn't allow any breakage or dryness or anything like that. And I usually take it all the way around my hairline. Running out. And then that's really it. Monday through Friday, I really don't do much to my hair, but let's say I'm trying to be cute today. So I will take my spray bottle and my dimming brush, and I will spray my hair, spray my edges, get my edges nice and wet. Now, mind you, I'm not going to do any kind of braid out. This is, what do y'all call this, wash and go? So we're going to do wet it and go. But what I like to do is go ahead and get like, okay, I'm back. Okay, so I like to use this Softy African Shea Butter in my hair. I hope that isn't blown out too bad. Crap. I'm so bad at this. There you go. And then I like to use this Versatile Defining Cream. I like using this. And then I also like the Stimulating Scalp Balm. So I'm going to use all of these. So what I do is I get my edges nice and wet. I do have curly hair just like this hair, except mine is much drier and much shorter. Yes, very short. But what we're going to do here is we're going to use this hair and scalp conditioner, and we're going to go all around our edges. Get that in there real good. And then just basically completely all the way around the hairline. So that we're protecting everything nice and good. And then go on this side. Okay. That was the hair conditioner. And one thing we can't forget is the actual hair in the front. So wet that up good too with the stimulating. Get the stimulating scalp conditioner in there. Get that in there good. Good. Okay. So this is legit like my curly hair routine when I'm trying to get cute. Most of the time I just leave my hair alone. I don't bother it. And then the final thing I'll put in is the defining gel. It's like kind of like goopy. And I will go through my hair and basically wet it up real good. Okay, so notice I didn't put any products on the back of my hair. I just put it on the front. Then I'm done. This is how I leave it. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. So then I get a regular hairbrush and I will brush my hair up into my sewing like so. Add a little more moisture. Get my dimming brush. And basically comb through it to try to blend my curls in. Sometimes I use jam to like slick it a little so that when it dries, it'll dry closer to the same curl pattern. But like I said, my hair is much drier than the actual extensions. So that's basically it. I don't do anything spectacular or crazy. And then, yeah, I'll basically let my hair kind of fall forward over my edges, because the shrinkage, once my edges get dry, that's why I'll use jam, or I will use this Eco Styler gel. Basically, I'm gonna mix them both. So I'll get a goop of the Eco Styler gel. And get my hair nice and coated with that. Boom, boom, boom. My hands are okay. Then the jam is much thicker. It's almost like a little ball. And what I'll do is take that across my edges. Yeah, I'm old school. Don't judge me. Take that across my edges. Take my hairbrush. And brush them up into my extensions. Just like so. Then I'll take my scarf, which is very, very long. But I'll take my little satin scarf and lean my head back like this. Tuck the scarf behind my ears and then basically push it down. Boom. Then I let it set about 20-30 minutes. So I'll go ahead and I'll do my makeup or something, and then I'll show you guys the end result of this curly hair routine. All right, guys, so this is the finished product of how I blend my hair. So once it's been set with the scarf, I'm trying to get close so you can see the texture and everything. Once it's been set with the scarf, you can see that it actually blends in really, really well. And then any flyaways or anything like that, I just cover up. So like right here, hold on, I'm trying to see. So right here, which is like obviously my hair, which is very short, you know, I'll just, you know, bring it forward like that. And then that's about it. A little moisture goes a long way. There's no other products in my actual extensions, just water and conditioner, and that's it. And then, you know, that's about it. This is my go-to hairstyle when I'm trying to go out, I'm trying to look kind of cute or whatever. Any other time, it goes up in a ponytail, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this install / curly routine. I've never done it before, but I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.